Good morning, Red Raiders. It's Heaven, and I'm here to tell you guys today how to stay active during quarantine and be safe. I'm kind of going to do my day based off what I do in a regular day. So right now I'm about to do some homework and study for my classes and then do my hair. So guys, unfortunately this will be my last video with transition and engagement, but I will always be hearing you guys' heart. I just wanted to kind of say how my first semester went. It was really great. I really enjoyed my time at Tech. It was one of the best experiences, and I can't wait to go back for the fall semester in 2020. I'm really excited to start working on campus. I'm excited to be able to use all the resources there. Oh, it didn't turn out well. But I just want to thank Transition and Engagement for giving me this opportunity to kind of express myself through making videos and learning new things about myself and, trying to be a part of a team. My hair also didn't come out how the video was looking, so I just put a hat on. Wash your hands. Alright guys, this is me doing my homework and logging on to Zoom to talk with some of my team. And then here is my philosophy class. Just getting ready to prepare for our final exams and everything. And you gotta stay healthy, so use that hand sanitizer. And I'm going to breakfast. Just make a bowl of Cheerios. Welcome to my TED Talk. Or ASMR, as I should call it. And after we're done with breakfast, we're going to go ahead and try and make some food, some actual food. You can become a chef. I actually tried to make something to eat, and this is me on Zoom with a real chef and his wife, and them helping, trying to, spice up our lives during this quarantine. They were talking about how to make chili and types of stew and fish and salmon. I ended up making a cheeseburger. It was really good. Ooh. Oil. There's bacon. And then we have French fries. Since we can't really leave the house, I FaceTimed my sisters and my friend. And this is us talking. I told them to say hi to the camera. You guys can go outside for a walk. It's a beautiful day, even though we're supposed to stay quarantined. But I think it's okay. Around the block, for a small walk around the neighborhood. Bring your puppy. Let's go, doggy. Come on. Let's go. I know you guys really miss your friends, but don't be too sad because you can still see them. Don't forget to always bring your puppy on adventures because, she likes to get outside the house too. And remember, 6 feet away. Hey, friend!
Hey, classy. Hey, classy.
Bye. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Hey, Heaven. Ew. Hey, oh yeah. Oh my god. Everyone's greeting the dog. It's hurting me. Hey, how you doing?
Oh, hey, y'all. Didn't see you there, you know what I'm saying?
Oh my gosh.
My hair color look good in the sun, right? Oh, never mind, the sun went down.
Goodbye.
I was in the sun earlier, and I was like, oh my god, I was standing outside, and it's a mirror inside our house, and I'm looking at myself in the mirror, I'm like, I think I might have hit that. I think this hair color might be it. It just might be. It is. I like it. Anyway, the curls are there.
Hold on, let's see if we can see you more with the light.
You see? I'm shaking it. It's moving because I'm not bald head.
Period.
Period.
You guys can also work out at home. Alright guys, this is one of the last things that you can do while trying to stay active during quarantine. It's always good to, get your quarantine body together so when it's over we come out, we're like, pow, So thank you guys so much for tuning in and how to stay active during this quarantine. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope your quarantine is going just a little bit better than mine, and you guys have a great day. Stay safe, stay healthy.